When you send cryptocurrency to someone, it might feel simple. You enter an address, choose an amount, and press send. Within moments, the transaction is on its way. But behind that simple action, something remarkable is happening. Thousands of computers around the world begin working together to verify and record your transaction. So what exactly happens behind the scenes? Here is the surprising part. When you send cryptocurrency, no bank approves the transaction. There is no payment company processing it. No central authority controls the transfer, yet the system still knows whether the transaction is legitimate. So how does that work? In traditional banking systems, institutions verify every transaction. Banks confirm that you have enough money. They approve the transfer, and they update their internal records. But cryptocurrency works differently. There is no central institution managing transactions. So without banks verifying everything, an important question appears. How does the network know a transaction is real? Think about the risk for a moment. If anyone could send fake transactions or pretend to own cryptocurrency they do not have, the entire system would collapse. People could duplicate coins. Fraud would spread across the network, and no one would trust cryptocurrency anymore. So the system must have a way to verify every transaction securely. The solution lies in three powerful technologies: crypto wallets, digital signatures, and the blockchain network. Let us walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Creating the transaction. This request contains three important pieces of information: the sender's wallet address, the receiver's wallet address, the amount of cryptocurrency being sent. But before the transaction can move forward, it must be authorized. Step 2. Digital signature. Your wallet uses your private key to create a digital signature. This signature proves that you are the legitimate owner of the cryptocurrency being sent. Think of it as your personal authorization stamp. Without the correct private key, the transaction cannot be approved. Step 3. Network verification. Once the transaction is signed, it is broadcast to the blockchain network. This network consists of thousands of computers around the world called nodes. These computers verify several important things. They confirm that the digital signature is valid. They check that the sender actually has enough cryptocurrency. And they ensure the transaction follows the rules of the network. If the transaction passes these checks, it moves to the next stage. Verified transactions are grouped together with many others. This group forms what is called a block. The block is then added to the blockchain, linking it to the previous blocks in the chain. Once recorded, the transaction becomes extremely difficult to change or reverse. A small transaction fee. These fees reward the participants who help verify and secure the network. In many blockchain systems, these participants are known as miners or validators. Their work helps keep the entire system running smoothly. A wallet creates the transaction. A private key authorizes it. The global network verifies it. And the blockchain permanently records it. People anywhere in the world, without needing a bank or intermediary. That is one of the revolutionary ideas behind blockchain technology. Summary: the blockchain network verifies those transactions, and the blockchain permanently records them. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.